doesn't seem to go forward, only backwards. Their tasking is to recover that blue chair approximately 100 feet over there, even though we're zoomed in. But for whatever reason, it goes backwards fine, forwards not so good. All right, they had the blue chair. I didn't record that, whoops. If I mentioned I stink right now, I can smell that swamp on me. So you know what they smell like. Who knows? I have no idea what's going on. Oh, is it sinking? I think it's sinking. Whoops.
Yeah, back in the water.
All right, Paul has manned. Oh, they both are in the water. It's all about the boat and the chair. Yes, they are out there.
I'm not putting my feet down. The birthplace of all my guppies. No.
Working their way back. Jessica's not happy with the texture of the ground.
Yeah, we might need some bleach.
Okay, well, now we have to redo this. There's also something else wrong with it.
Yeah, same comment. Yeah, that was a real cool spot.
Well, good to know. Whatever, Dad. Down. I was like, it's all submerged.
Hey, I'm hoping y'all have no alligators out here.
Are you serious?
Only one, just one.
Hey,
I'm opening that in here.
Hey, Uncle Rick instigated this, and how are we the one finishing it?
Because I'm intelligent.
You promise you'd never have to bleach me again. Well, we got the chair.
You guys did good.
Yeah,
This is a mistake.
They're almost here.
This is all my fault. There's alligator bubbles. Don't bubbles need alligators?
I'm not sure how I got out of the mess,
Yeah, they
but I
do.
successfessly parlayed them into the nightmare.
They
I
definitely
long
do.
time swim faster than you were, okay?
Could you guys get out of there before an alligator gets you so I don't feel guilty?
I can't even feel the ground. Ah, yeah, I can. No.
I ain't even felt it.
It feels like diarrhea.
Oh yeah, I feel it, yes.
Kidney stones.
All right, we are signing out. We have successfully
401.
Yes.
got the boat and we got the chair. We have 2 rock stars
Diseases.
and we're out.